How to fix need for speed, NFS, Unbound DXGI error device hung / removed / reset. 1. Delete the DX12 file. 1.1 Origin games / need for speed Unbound / shader cache. 1.2 Windows, documents / need for speed, TM, Unbound / cache. Like this. 1.3. Steam library / Steam apps / common / NFS Unbound / shader cache. 2. Reuse or switch to the native resolution. 3. Update year. Xbox controller through the Xbox Accessories app. 4. Enable debug mode in NVIDIA. Control panel and install NVIDIA Studio driver. 5. Performance. Clean reinstall of your graphics drivers. To do so, remove current display driver and reinstall it using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Allow the NFS game, speed.exe. To use your dedicated graphics card. Like this. 7. Lower the graphics. Settings accordingly and play NFS in its windowed mode. 8. Update your Windows. Nine. Install the newest DXGI. 10. Disconnect. All unused devices, multiple monitors, USB devices, Logitech wheel, joystick, Razer Tartarus gamepad, VJoy, and turn off unnecessary running programs with Task Manager. 11. Verify the game. files in Steam. Like this. 12. Disable all overlay application. 13. Play NFS in Windows Clean Boot.